Lock and low, boys.
All right, well, we are out at the Freedom Factory. A little different this time. We've been here to drift a lot of times at this point, but it's always like a small thing, right? Or the Burnout Rivals or whatever. It's a few of us. Whereas this is a full-on drift event, like any other drift event, but at the Freedom Factory. It's kind of weird. I'm so used to coming here just to drive with Cleetus and Ben and a few people. What's really crazy is the stands are pretty packed for a regular old drift event. We never get this many people in the stands, so I think that's really cool. This is like opening more people's eyes to drifting, and I don't know. Anyway, so I'm excited. We're gonna drive. Benny Boy's here, Aldo and Josue are here. We don't have that many tires, but we're gonna have some fun.
You got that the front straight. You're gonna rip past the bleachers, and then you can either choose the lower bank or the higher bank. And no matter what, you gotta fit your way back towards the start, and then hit the inside bank, and then roll out of that.
All right, guys, ladies and gents, boys and girls, about to go do some skids. Like I said, it's crazy how big packed the stands are. It's nuts. It's so cool for Cleetus to bring that many people to drifting that probably never seen it in person and never would have gone otherwise if it weren't for, you know, being able to come here and see it specifically. So me and Ben are gonna do, oh my God. Whoa, oh, Steve, oh. We're gonna start on the inside. It's not any bit of fear of the bank. I just know the tandem's not gonna be very good on the bank, especially not first lap out. So I figure we'll start on the inside, get some good tandem in, and mainly, the main reason here, tire life. Tires are not gonna last very long on the bank. I've only got really 2 sets of tires. Other than my 2 new sets of not super grippy tires, I have some used super grippy tires, which Ben doesn't have, so I would be running them over. So anyway, for tire life inside, stay on the inside for a bit, see how the tires are lasting, and then send it on the bank. The bank just eats tires. 2. That was a whole lot of limiter bashing and tire wheel speed. Yeah, we're gonna burn through some tires, boys. That's for sure. All right, we're gonna do a run behind Ole Cleetur. We gotta be a little cautious because of his low angle. I'm trying to remember what he did. What did he do? So he did inside, around, all the way around. I don't know. I'll just follow him. I saw it because it's like you got no angle. It was just like, yeah. I'm down.
I'll try and shoot out at the wall more so I don't have to like cut across the grass.
Yeah, it's hard. It's a long way from the inside all the way over there.
Yeah, it might make it. Let's go back in one more time and then out.
And do another.
Inside, out, back inside, we go.
Okay. I need to shift to fourth on the bank. When I went by you, I stayed in third and it was just like, with the old motor, third was fine. It just makes way more power now. I mean, it's so fun to tandem with this thing. It's just like while you're behind it, you're looking at it like giggling. All right, boys, take two. I thought you were pulling off to change tires. Mine already don't feel good. The concrete itself is grippier. Normally it's like ice, you know, but it's like okay. This is James. I'm emotionally invested in James having a good time. Didn't recognize the new trailer. All right, well, Ben broke his car. His ball joint like ripped out, pulled out of the socket. So that was an ordeal. Really get his car out and on the trailer. So anyway, he's out, unfortunately. These tires don't have much left in them. Nobody's really in the tandem line, so I'm gonna go do a solo and then change tires, try to find someone to tandem with to end the night off.
If you want to 2-lap it,
okay,
or 3-lap it,
go for it. Yeah, because I want to kill these tires.
We don't have much of people coming up here, so
okay.
And we'd rather see a show than
I'll do.
Yeah, 2 or 3 laps.
What if I come around the cones and then do the bank that way and then come back down?
Oh yeah, do it.
My coolant temp. Oh no! After that, 190. That's absurd. I love this car. All right, got a fresh set of tires on. Gonna go do a little rip. It's a shame Ben's car's broken. He could be shredding and jamming right now. All right, we're following Savio in his new car. Gonna be a little aggressive, but not too aggressive. Don't want to hit him. We're taking the big bank. Haven't taken on the big bank in a while. More aggressive. car. My car is like, I don't know, when I floor it from like idle, it just like goes lean. All right, well, we made it back from the old Freedom Factory first inaugural drift event. It was an absolute blast. Such a shame that Ben's car broke. It's crazy. I guess that's a common issue on the Moog tie rods on these cars. They just literally split apart. So I'm pretty sure I have Moog. So I ordered a spare for clutch kickers, which is next weekend, and then I'm gonna buy some OEM ones to put OEM ones in. I do not want that to happen to me. That was a tough break. So anyway, I was hoping to finish killing these tires off because I consolidated. I got a bunch more Koenig wheels, so now I have all Koenigs. I have 15x9s, 15x10s, same brand, offset, simplicity, because before I had 3-piece wheels, single-piece wheels, different offset, different brand, 15, 16, 17, so like ordering tires was a nightmare. I couldn't just order a bunch of 15s, I had to order some 15s, some 16s, so anyway, I already had these mounted and ready to go, so I was like, I want to kill them before I get rid of these wheels, and I didn't even freaking kill them, because my car was being silly. So we're going to go through this thing before this weekend. We've got a decent bit to do. I'm going to go through the whole fuel system. It has not been gone through in a long time. I run E. I don't do any preventative E maintenance, and I've had great luck, but I think there's something simple that's the problem, just because it's so intermittent. The difficulty in diagnosing it is it doesn't happen until, you know, like the end of a drift event. Like, it's at clutch kickers, it started happening the first night or the second day, and here it didn't happen till the end of the night, so it's hard. I can't just replicate it. I can't go drive it, do something, see if it fixed it. I have to wait until I'm midway through a drift event, which I don't want that to happen during comp, so we're gonna go through it. I'm also gonna toss another trans in the car and do a handful of other things. We got a kind of a time crunch because I got some work to do on the truck and the trailer and the car. So anyway, there's a lot to be done. But yeah, moral of the story is, that's it. That's going to be a wrap. Freedom Factory first drift event was a success. I need to talk to Cleetus, see what he thought of it, but it seemed to flow pretty smoothly. It was definitely a really good time. The track was pretty good on tires. It's a lot of fun to drive. It was cool being there with all my friends that I drive every other event with, and it be a normal event. So I'm glad he took the leap to do that, and it worked out, or seemed to have. So yeah, I guess that's going to be it for this video, guys. I'll see you for some Miata last minute thrash drift prep. But for now, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. See you. Goodbye. I almost said do it for Dale. Freaking see you later. I got confused.